Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation we're going to see how we go about creating a host record in our DNS for Server 2019. And though the steps I'm about to demonstrate work on Server 2019, they also work on Server 2012 and Server 2016. I'm currently up inside of my DNS management console for my domain controller, and we have our forward lookup zone expanded. Anywhere over here in this right window pane, or even on the name of the forward lookup zone, we can right click, and from the context menu we can select new host or a record. Where it says name, you just type in the name of the PC, so we're just going to call this PC1. And you'll notice that it appends itself to the actual fully qualified domain name of the domain, so it's pc1.us.cyberoffense.com. We can go ahead and put in the IP address. And if we want to, we can also check this box to create a pointer record or a reverse lookup record. We don't have to check that box at this time. Let's just go ahead and add the host. And it says it was successfully created. And we'll click Done. And you'll see that we have a new host record for PC1 up inside of our forward lookup zone for the domain. And so that's how you create a new host record up inside of your DNS management console for your forward lookup zone for your domain. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was presented to you in this short video presentation, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.